All right, all right, all right. Well. Welcome to I Am Sure Sports. This is Manning's Man. Hope you're doing well because I am certainly doing well. This morning we have a top video for you to share with you some information that we're going to drop on the spot. So make sure you stay tuned and you lock into this. But guess what? Three things you need to do for me quickly. One, two, three things. One, two, three things. Three things you need to do for me right now. Number one is to hit the like button. Number two, share the video. And number three, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. All right, even if you don't like the video, subscribe to the channel because you may at all, you come on the channel and you dislike the video. You never have to watch it, but you watch it and you dislike and you don't subscribe. Why you do that? Why you stay so? Why do you stay that way? Change up your ways. God soon come for the world, and you want him come find you with that kind of art there. Change up your ways, man. Hey, we know I'm going to deal with that. We're going to deal with some football thing. But listen, let me talk to you quickly because this is not going to be long enough. The people, please listen to people's content before you make comments. Listen to the content before you make a comment. So I did a video and I'm going to do a live to explain this to the people. I did a video and I said that the demands I did one video, I put it in the cards where I said that the demands of Paul Hall are very steep. I did that over an hour about the $25,000 and it working out to 40. Can the JFF afford that? I did a next video at the same time saying that I think what the JFF is asking from my sources about Paul Hall giving up his job at Queen's Park Rangers seem a little bit too much as well. So they need to sit and work out something where, if possible, he can still keep his position at Queen's Park Rangers, but fully available for the job. If he is the person that they want. He wants the job, but if he is the person. Some people not listening now because them fingers like to talk. Them fingers like to talk. Them gonna comment. So what me I say no make no sense. What don't make no sense about that? What don't make any sense about that? Come on, man. Come on, man. Be better than that. Anyways, I'm not going to tarry too long on that. Let me just get to what I am saying. This morning I want to talk to you. I found out that one of my favorite footballers, young youth, good youth, had a poor U20 tournament, but he's at Mount Pleasant. Good baller. Rate him a whole lot. Played at JC. Youngster. Plays wing back. Think he has a lot of potential. Good height, good build, strong, kicks the ball well, but have a lot of work to do to develop his game. Tarick Ximinies. Watch this. I have a story to tell you about Tarick Ximinies. People, but like I said, support the channel. Like, share, subscribe right now. Alright? Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds and do that. Alright, cool. So Tarick Ximinies, I just found out, his agent is Mr. Fitzroy Simpson, who is also the agent of Akwasa Chang, who is also the agent of head coach Paul Hall, or former head coach Paul Hall, or coach in negotiation Paul Hall. Alright, so my thing is, if he is the agent, right, if Fitzroy Simpson is the agent of Tarick Ximinies, is there any connection with Tarick Ximinies being in the national team and Fitzroy Simpson being his agent and also the agent of the coach? Is there any conflict in all of that? Because I find that to be very, very spooky, if I may say. Why? Because truthfully, even for this present squad, on merit, Tarick Ximinies should not be in the team. My baller rate him a whole lot. But in terms of right backs in the league or players who play on the right side right now, I can name 5 who are ahead of him. Alright? You want me to give you them? 5 at least of them. Well, one is in the squad from Waterhouse. Alright? You have one who plays for Harbour View named Harding ahead of him right now. In fact, he's part of the reason why I left Harbour View. Alright? You also have the man at Cavaliers, their captain, Ming, who is ahead of him. You really want me to continue with more? Don't be holding right back ahead of him. The youngster down there at Veer ahead of him. The humble lion captain ahead of him on this season performance. So I am saying on merit he shouldn't be there. My baller, rate him. No have nothing against the youth. Go the youth. Good baller. Big up yourself, Tarick Ximinies. You're there. Prove all of us wrong. Because given your U20 performance, it's kind of strange to see you in a national team going away. Unless all the other players are just named, including, Blake, who can play right back, who was a better player in the U20 tournament than you, should have been in this. You have the chance, make the most of it. But people, here's the thing. Do you find it a conflict of interest that his agent is also the one who negotiated the Adidas deal with his partners for the GFF? He is also the agent of the current coach in negotiation, Paul Hall, with the GFF. What do you think, people? Am I just raising things that are no big issue? What do you think? Let me know. Because this is Management. This is I Am Sure Sports. And guess what? We are, as usual, we are over and we are what? O-U-T. We are out. I'm not dress back. Right up in your face. Hit the like button. Share. Subscribe to the channel. Bless up. One and all.